Hello, good Tuesday night, everybody. Tuesday, December 16th, the 8 p.m. update. Yeah, if you're watching this, you're on YouTube. I've switched over to YouTube. I think this is going to be the better platform uh, in the long run. All right, so let's switch over to Synoptic and look at the weather maps. Of course, I do this unscripted, so bear with me. I haven't had time to look at all the models in depth, so I'm going to be as surprised as you will. All right, so right now I've got pulled up the simulated radar from the HRRR. It's still processing, but it gives us an idea of what's going to take place tonight. We've got a warm front hanging out along the Red River, southern Arkansas, that's going to lift north, create some showers overnight tonight. This is 2 a.m. As winds move north, it's going to start interacting with the cool air and create some fog across the area tonight. The HRRR is not picking up on this so well. If we switch over to visibility, we'll see what HRRR suggests. So this is 3 a.m., 4 a.m. time frame, starts developing over central portions of Oklahoma and starts expanding in coverage. This is 7 a.m., 8, 9, 10, 11, midnight, noon, 1, 8, 1 p.m., 2 p.m., 3 p.m. So got some areas of really dense fog. Earlier really suggested areas along and north of I-44. This is staying well to the north of it, southeastern Kansas, and then a big blob in Oklahoma, Tulsa to Stillwater, and then south. Some of the visibility is down to 0 here. Yeah, 0.00, so pretty intense morning commute. All right, switching over to the total precip. This is going through Thursday at 1 p.m. Majority of the rain is well east of us, east of Springfield. A few spots in the mountains in northwest Arkansas, but outside of that, I think everybody's going to stay on the dry side. What you will see is more likely from the drizzle fog related event overnight tonight into tomorrow morning. All right, let's dive down the road. All right, so here is the GFS. The GFS goes 300 hours out. So we're paying attention to the end of the month. All right, so 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock, here's the idea where we may see some precip. This is all fog related, of course. And then the rains are east. That I'm following with HRRR. I think the GFS and the HRRR are in sync. No worries there. All right, we keep going. This is the Saturday the 20th. Nothing going on. 21st, we got some rain down in Red River and southern Arkansas, as well as northern Missouri. That should stay outside of the local area. Those two waves will end up merging together out east, creating a winter storm for the Northeast. All right, 23rd, 24th. So Christmas Eve, got some drizzle, maybe some light rain, especially southwest Missouri and Arkansas. As we work into Christmas Day, nothing, nada. 26th, we're clear. 27th, we're clear. 28th, we're clear. Now's when the next system starts approaching. Sorry, my nose has been itching like crazy today. So per the GFS, we've got this pretty intense system that's going to come out of the Rockies and develop over the area. This is going to drop some high rain amounts across the area. This is the 30th, so New Year's Eve. Let's play this through here. So this is 12 p.m. noon on the 30th, 6 p.m. midnight. So this is New Year's Eve, super early in the morning, 6 a.m., noon, 6 p.m. So this is New Year's night, 6 p.m. Looks like rain for everybody. Right now, I'm just looking at precip, not precip types. Could this be winter? Not sure yet because the the temperature numbers I do not like at all because it does not follow the low pressure system and high pressure system. But I think the GFS is onto something with the precip. So midnight. So this is New Year's Day at midnight. Ding dong of the bell. And then 6 a.m. and noon. That's as far as we're going. So New Year's Eve looks to be interesting with precip. Let's look at the temperatures. So 50s, not a chance of snow, right? None, zero. Let's see, this is 6 a.m. New Year's Eve, noon at New Year's Eve. Look at that, we're all in the 60s. 6 p.m. upper 50s, midnight 50s, and we stay in the 50s New Year's morning, 6 a.m., and then we warm up into the mid 60s. So per this, definitely going to be a liquid event. No worries of winter weather. But I mean, we are what, 3 weeks away? 1, 2, almost exactly 2 weeks away. So we got some time. All right, that is all I have for tonight. Thanks everybody for watching. So the videos that you're seeing are on the non-public side. So I'll send you guys the link through Facebook. You guys access it as normal. There's another video section on the YouTube page that is public, and I'll try to do one of those in the morning for everybody, and then of course the normal blog posts are on YouTube as well. So everything's going to be held on YouTube. The wxsmith.com site, I may work on some graphics for it as well, but that's more just accessing the PayPal portal for your membership subscriptions and news, stuff like that. All right, have a fantastic night, everybody. Be safe. We'll talk to you tomorrow.